When it comes to choosing furniture, it can be hard to picture what it's going to look like. Well, check this out. Wait, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? I'm shopping for a table. Before choosing a dining table, here's what to keep in mind. The size of the room, how many people use it regularly, how often you entertain for parties or holidays, if you prefer formal or casual. You want to get the measurements first. Make sure there's at least 3 to 4 feet between the dining table and any walls or surrounding furniture. Remember to leave enough room for doors and walkways around the table. One of the old ways uses a sheet to lay out where the table will be. I prefer the new way. I love using the Wayfair View in Room feature. It does all the visualizing for you. Round tables work best for small groups and spaces because there's no corners to worry about. I like this, but it's too small for the room, so let's try a rectangular one. This is nice, but I think I may want wooden legs instead of metal. Ooh, I like the details on this one. It expands too, perfect for the holidays. I'm adding that to my cart. When it comes to selecting chairs for the dining room, there are endless options. You can mix color, material, and pattern to create a bold look against the table. Or you can find similar colors or wood tones for a cohesive look. If you want a perfect match and fit, look for a dining set. A rug will tie the room together. Find the size that will work by adding 2 feet to each side of the table. This way, chairs can be pushed in and out without pulling the rug up. Now let's set up the space and see how it looks. You have to try this app. Find all your dining and furniture needs at Wayfair.